So I'm Elisha and I'm the event manager at Le Pub. To break that down, I book all the gigs and I'm also the rep for all the shows here as well. I originally applied to work on the bar, and then Sam was like, I've got a better job for you than just working on the bar, when she saw my CV, which is good. I guess I have a great CV. I've always been interested in music. Since I was young, I've played drums since I was 7. And then when I got to uni, I found out that I could do something else other than just play the drums. So here I am, being a promoter. Cherry Blossom Presents is kind of my alias, I guess. We put gigs on that we believe that the bands deserve time and the space to play their music. And I guess what makes a good event is as long as they're having fun. Obviously selling out gigs is great too, but we're not a venue that just wants to profit off of all our gigs. We want people to come here and do what they love to do. Sometimes you see a band and you're like, they could be massive. And I love seeing that. Like, there's been a couple bands that I've seen and I'm like, wow, like you guys are really gonna go far. And I love seeing like that talent in such a small place. And it's like us putting on those events is helping push their career. And then eventually when they do get to big places, we can be like, we were there from the beginning, which I love. So Le Pub is a community-owned space. We have comedy shows here, live drawing here. It's not just a venue. So down here, we have like a live room, so people can practice here. People record here as well. A live music event is kind of like, it's a lot of back and forth, I think. Usually that's the way it goes. And then once I've got a headliner secured, then it's like, okay, I need to figure out all the supports. That's usually how we plan for it. I mean, in-house, we ask for their tech specs and stuff. So we know what's coming. We give them the green room and make sure all that's nice and tidy, and the fridge is full of beers always. A challenge for me as a woman, to be honest, is not being taken quite seriously. I'd like to see more women and non-binary people in the music industry. I don't think there's enough in the business side of things. There's not enough venue managers, there's not enough promoters, there's not enough diversity in any of those kinds of roles. Like, I'm very lucky to work in a venue that's owned by a woman, so she understands a lot of the time where I'm coming from. Just dive into it, because I was just offered this job and then I said yes without even thinking about it. I'd never done it before. And I was like, actually, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. And then very slowly it comes to you. I think organisation skills are also key. I mean, like, you couldn't put on a gig without being organised. You need to organise a gig. I would say just take it as it comes. It's going to be hard at first, but it gets really easy after a while.